In our previous episodes, we journeyed into the heart of the Bermuda Triangle, exploring the captivating myths that have shrouded this enigmatic region for decades. We delved into tales of ancient Atlantis, speculated about extraterrestrial interference, and even pondered the possibility of temporal distortions. These narratives, while undeniably intriguing, often lead us away from the tangible world. Today, we shift our focus dramatically. We move beyond the realm of the supernatural and into the rigorous domain of scientific inquiry. Our mission is to dissect the most compelling disappearances and offer rational, evidence-based explanations for events once deemed inexplicable. The question before us is profound. Are the mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle truly supernatural, or are they simply misunderstood phenomena amplified by fear and folklore? This episode aims to answer that question with clarity and precision. Prepare yourselves, for this is where science strikes back, illuminating the shadows with the light of reason and empirical data. We will unravel the threads of mystery, one scientific explanation at a time. One of the earliest and most persistent claims surrounding the Bermuda Triangle involves compasses behaving erratically, spinning wildly, or pointing in inexplicable directions. These reports fueled beliefs in unseen forces, magnetic anomalies, or even portals to other dimensions. Sailors and pilots alike spoke of their instruments going crazy. However, scientific understanding offers a far more grounded explanation for this phenomenon. The Bermuda Triangle is one of only two places on Earth where true north and magnetic north can align. This unique geographical characteristic is crucial to understanding the compass mystery. When a compass points directly to true north, it can appear to be malfunctioning to an unsuspecting navigator. This is because most navigation charts and traditional understanding account for a deviation between magnetic north and true north. The compass isn't broken. It's simply indicating a different yet accurate relationship to the Earth's magnetic field. This alignment means that the compass is actually accurate, but it indicates zero variation from true north, which is an unusual reading for most parts of the world. Navigators accustomed to compensating for magnetic declination might misinterpret this as an error. A small navigational error, even just a few degrees off course, can have catastrophic consequences over vast distances. Such minor miscalculations, compounded over hours of travel, can lead ships and aircraft hundreds of miles astray. In the open ocean, without landmarks, this can mean the difference between reaching a destination and vanishing without a trace. The myth of invisible forces manipulating instruments is thus debunked by the simple yet profound reality of geomagnetism. The Atlantic Ocean, particularly the region encompassing the Bermuda Triangle, is renowned for its unpredictable and often violent weather patterns. This area is a crucible of meteorological extremes, capable of generating some of the most formidable natural forces on the planet. These conditions alone can account for many disappearances. The region is a notorious corridor for powerful hurricanes, which can materialize with terrifying speed and intensity. Beyond these massive storms, smaller but equally deadly phenomena like waterspouts and rogue waves pose immense threats. Waterspouts, essentially tornadoes over water, can capsize vessels, while rogue waves, towering walls of water, can engulf even large ships. Perhaps less known but equally devastating are microbursts. These are invisible, sudden, downward blasts of air that can strike with incredible force. Unlike a hurricane, a microburst is localized and can appear without warning, making it exceptionally dangerous for aircraft. A microburst is capable of slamming an aircraft into the sea within seconds, leaving no time for distress calls or evasive maneuvers. The sheer force of these downdrafts can exceed the structural integrity of many planes. These powerful air currents can reach speeds of up to 170 miles per hour, creating an instant and inescapable vortex of destruction. Adding to the peril is the formidable Gulf Stream, a swift, fast-moving ocean current that flows through the Bermuda Triangle. This powerful current acts as a colossal conveyor belt, capable of rapidly scattering any wreckage or debris over vast distances. The Gulf Stream's relentless flow significantly hinders rescue efforts, making it incredibly difficult to locate any trace of a lost vessel or aircraft. Beneath the seemingly tranquil waters of the Bermuda Triangle lies a geological secret that could explain some of the most sudden and complete disappearances. Scientists have discovered vast deposits of methane hydrate trapped beneath the ocean floor in this region. These icy cages hold immense quantities of natural gas under high pressure. Periodically, geological shifts or seismic activity can destabilize these deposits, causing massive gas pockets to erupt. When this happens, billions of methane bubbles are released from the seabed, rising rapidly through the water column. This phenomenon is akin to a colossal underwater effervescence. The sudden release of these gas bubbles dramatically reduces the density of the surrounding water. Imagine trying to float in a giant glass of champagne. The buoyancy is significantly diminished. A ship sailing into such a gas-infused area would instantly lose its ability to float. With its buoyancy compromised, a vessel would rapidly lose lift and sink like a stone, often within seconds. This process would be so swift and overwhelming that there would be no time for distress calls, no opportunity to deploy life rafts, and virtually no debris left floating on the surface. The ship would simply vanish. This methane gas theory provides a compelling scientific explanation for the sudden, complete disappearances that have long baffled investigators. It offers a mechanism for vessels to vanish without a trace, without resorting to supernatural causes or fantastical explanations. It transforms a mystery into a geological event. While natural phenomena account for many incidents, we must also consider the undeniable role of human error and the technological limitations of past eras. The vast, featureless expanse of the open ocean can be incredibly disorienting, especially without clear landmarks or reliable navigation aids. Even experienced navigators can make mistakes. Small instrument errors, which might be negligible over land, become amplified over the immense distances of the ocean. A compass reading off by a single degree can lead a vessel hundreds of miles off course over a long journey. These seemingly minor discrepancies can have profound consequences. The infamous case of Flight 19, a squadron of 5 U.S. Navy torpedo bombers that disappeared in 1945, serves as a stark illustration. The lead pilot, an experienced but disoriented instructor, mistakenly believed he was over the Florida Keys when he was actually over the Bahamas. This critical navigational error set the stage for disaster. Instead of turning west towards Florida, the lead pilot ordered his squadron to continue flying east, deeper into the Atlantic. They flew until their fuel ran out, eventually ditching into the unforgiving ocean. Their last transmissions indicated confusion and a complete loss of bearings. The technology available in the 1940s was primitive by today's standards. There was no GPS, no satellite tracking, and real-time communication was often unreliable or non-existent over vast ocean stretches. Pilots and sailors relied on celestial navigation, dead reckoning, and basic radio beacons. These limitations made accurate navigation incredibly challenging. Furthermore, the difficulty in locating lost vessels or aircraft was compounded by these technological constraints. Without precise last known positions or advanced search and rescue capabilities, finding a small craft in the immense ocean was akin to finding a needle in a haystack. Many disappearances were simply a tragic consequence of the era's limitations. Today, our understanding of the Bermuda Triangle region is vastly superior to what it was decades ago. Advanced technology, including sophisticated satellites, high-resolution sonar mapping, and predictive weather models, now extensively monitors the entire area. This constant surveillance provides unprecedented insight into the region's dynamics. Organizations like NASA and the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or NOAA, have conducted extensive analyses of maritime and aviation incidents in the Bermuda Triangle. Their findings are conclusive. There is no higher rate of disappearances in this region than in any other heavily traveled ocean area around the world. The statistics simply do not support the myth. The perception of the Bermuda Triangle as a uniquely dangerous place is, therefore, more a product of fear, fascination, and sensationalized storytelling than of actual statistical anomaly. The human mind is drawn to mystery, and the idea of an inexplicable force is often more captivating than a mundane explanation. The myth has been perpetuated by popular culture and a selective focus on dramatic incidents. Modern science has systematically dismantled the supernatural claims, replacing them with logical, verifiable explanations rooted in meteorology, oceanography, geology, and human factors. The mystery largely dissolves under the scrutiny of empirical data and advanced observation. The Bermuda Triangle, while still a busy and sometimes challenging stretch of ocean, is no longer an enigma to those who study it scientifically. While science has provided compelling explanations for many of the Bermuda Triangle's most famous disappearances, it is important to acknowledge that some mysteries still endure. Not every single incident has a perfectly clear, universally accepted answer. The ocean remains a vast and unforgiving environment, capable of holding its secrets. The allure of the unknown continues to captivate us, driving further research and exploration. Even as we debunk myths, the spirit of inquiry pushes us to understand the world more deeply. The Bermuda Triangle serves as a powerful reminder of nature's raw power and the limits of human endeavor. Join us next time as we delve into those truly unsolved cases, examining the incidents that continue to defy easy explanation. We will explore the fringes of our understanding, where the line between the known and the unknown blurs, and the true depths of the ocean's secrets still await discovery. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon to get our latest videos first. Thank you for your support.